In a glass or bowl, you want to add your milk and your vinegar and give that a quick stir and set it aside. In a medium-sized bowl, sift together your flour, your baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. Then you'd want to grab an apple, and any apple will do, and you would want to remove the skin and the middle part, and then you want to grate the entire apple. In a larger bowl, you want to add your oil, your vegan buttermilk, and your sugar, and I combined white with brown sugar, and then you would want to mix everything together so it's all combined. Then you carefully want to add your dry ingredients into the wet and mix everything together until almost combined, so you still want to see some lumps of flour, and at this point you would want to add your apple and then mix everything together until just combined. Then you'd want to add everything into your prepared loaf tin, and at the end I always like to spread a little bit on top so that everything is even and will bake even in the oven. You would want to bake it in the oven for around 35 to 45 minutes depending on your oven, but once a toothpick comes out clean or with a few moist crumbs, it is ready.